Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of integration guys, and we have to check which option is correct, right? So I is equal to, we are having the limit is 0 tends to 1 and the function is under the roots guys, x into 1 minus x dx, right? So you can suppose this is the first equation guys, right? This is a very simple, and now we can take x equal to sine square theta, okay guys? And now we are going to differentiate with respect to x, so it will become 1 and we can write here the 2 sine theta cos theta d theta by dx, okay? And you can write it as dx is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta d theta, okay? Cos theta d theta guys. Now I am going to change the limit in terms of guys, what we can change? We can change the limit in terms of theta guys. So when x is equal to 0, then you can say that actually x equal to sine square theta. When x is equal to 0, so what will be the value of 0 guys? We know that sine 0 degree is equal to 0, so theta will be 0, okay? And when x equal to 1, it means theta equal to guys, you can say that simply theta equal to pi by 2, right? So now I am going to start from equation first guys, okay? So I is equal to, we can write here the limit is 0 tends to pi by 2, and we can put the value here sine square theta instead of x minus 1 into 1 minus sine square theta, and we can write here the dx is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta dx, 2 sine theta cos theta dx, okay? Getting my points? So now, and you can apply here one formula guys. First of all, I am going to solve further. So the limit is 0 tends to pi by 2, and when we remove this square root, so it will become the sine theta, and we know that 1 minus sine theta equal to cos square theta, and cos square theta, root of cos square theta is equal to, we can write here the cos theta, okay guys? Cos theta, and here 2 sine theta cos theta, and here is d theta guys, okay? So 2 sine theta cos theta d theta, okay? Getting my points guys? Now we are going to apply here one formula guys. We know that 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta, okay? So we can apply here 2 sine theta cos theta equal to sine 2 theta, and once again sine theta plus sine theta into cos theta, we can write it as sine theta into cos theta equal to sine 2 theta by 2, okay? Are you getting my points guys? So now I am going to put the all this formula in this equation guys, right? Okay, so now I is equal to, we can write here the limit is 0 tends to pi by 2, okay? And it will become sine theta by 2, sine 2 theta by 2 guys, okay? Sine, what we can write here guys? Sine 2 theta by 2, and 2 sine theta cos theta equal to sine 2 theta, we can write it in here sine 2 theta and d theta. Now we can take common 1 by 2, and we can write it as 0 tends to pi by 2, and sine 2 theta into sine 2 theta, it will become sine square 2 theta d theta, okay? And we are going to apply one formula guys, sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta is divided by 2. So now we are going to apply this formula here. So we can write it as, this term is equal to, what we can write it as guys? 1 by 2, the limit is 0 tends to pi by 2, okay? And we can write here sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, and here the theta is equal to 2 theta, so it will become what guys? 1 minus cos 4 theta by 2, okay? D theta. Now we can take once again 1 by 2 common, and we can write here the 1 by 4, and the limit is 0 tends to pi by 2. Okay guys, and we know that 1 minus cos 2x, it will become 1 minus cos 4 theta guys. Okay, 1 minus cos 4 theta d theta. Now I am going to integrate this term, so we can write here 1 by 4, it will become theta minus cos 4 theta equal to, we know that sin 4 theta by 4 guys. Okay, and we can put the limit here 0 tends to pi by 2. So when we put the 0, so it will become a whole term is equal to 0 guys, and now we have to put only pi by 2. Okay, so 1 by 4 into, when we put the pi by 2 instead of theta, so it will become pi by 2 minus sine 4 into pi by 2 by 4. Okay, okay guys, and minus 0, and it will also become 0, so there is no need to write here guys. So we can, and we know that when we divide 2 theta, so this term is also become 0. So we can write here, because we know that the sin 2 theta equal to 0, sin 2 pi is equal to 0, so it will become also 0. So we can write here 1 by 2 into pi by 2 we will get, and after multiplying we will get the answer pi by 8. So pi by 8, it will be the correct answer for this question guys. Okay, right? So it will be the correct answer. So thank you guys.